Hello everyone, my name is Kirti. My roll number is 2129 and my presentation topic is wave equation in two dimension. The wave equation in two dimension is curly square u by curly t square is equal to c square into curly square u by curly x square plus curly square u by curly y square. This is equation first with boundary condition u into 0 yt is equal to u into a yt is equal to u into x. 0t is equal to u into x bt equal to 0. This is equation second, and value of x vary from 0 to a and value of y vary from 0 to b, and the initial condition is u of xy0 is equal to f of xy and curly u by curly t into xy0 is equal to g of xy. This is equation third. Now the solution is, assume the solution of first is u into xyt is equal to x into xy into y t into t. This is equation fourth. Now we substitute the equation fourth in first. So first we find curly square u by curly t square and then curly square u by curly x square and curly square u by curly y square. So we differentiate equation fourth with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to t and put in first. We get xy into double derivative of t is equal to c square into yt into double derivative x plus xt into double derivative of y. Now we divide it in the equation this equation by xyt and we get 1 by c square t into d square by d square t by dt square is equal to 1 by x d square x by dx square plus 1 by y d square y by dy. So this is equation A. Now we have three possibility. Case 1, when we put 1 by x d square x by dx square is equal to 0 and 1 by y d square y by dy square is equal to 0 and 1 by c square t into d square t by dt square is equal to 0. Now we find the root and we get the root is equal to 0 0 and these are real and equal, so the general solution is x is equal to a1x plus b1 and y is equal to a2y plus b2 and t is equal to a3 into t plus b3. This is equation fifth. Now case second is 1 by x d square x by dx square is equal to p1 square and 1 by y d square y by dy square is equal to p2 square and 1 by c square t into d square t by dt square is equal to p square, where p square is equal to p1 square plus p2 square. So d square x by dx square minus p1 square x is equal to 0 and d square y by dy square minus p2 square y is equal to 0. D square t by dt square minus c square t p square is equal to 0 and we find the root. D is equal to plus minus p1. The root are real and opposite sign, so the general solution is x is equal to a1 e raised to power p1x plus b1 e raised to power minus p1x and y is equal to a2 e raised to power p2y plus b2 e raised to power minus p2y and t is equal to a3 e raised to power pct plus b3 into e raised to power minus pct. This is equation 6th. Now the case 3 is 1 by x d square x by dx square is equal to minus p1 square and 1 by y d square y by dy square is equal to minus p2 square and 1 by c square t into d square t by dt square is equal to minus p square. This implies d square x by dx square plus p1 square x is equal to 0 and d square y by dy square plus p2 square y is equal to 0 and d square t by dt square plus c square t into p square is equal to 0. Then now we find the roots are is equal to p1 plus minus p1 iota, so root are imaginary, so the general solution is x is equal to a1 cos p1x plus b1 sin p1x, y is equal to a2 cos p2y plus b2 sin p2y and t is equal to a3 cos pct plus b3 sin pct. This is equation 7. Now we apply the boundary condition on equation 5th and equation 6th. Now x0 is equal to 0, xa is equal to a. Similarly y0 is equal to 0, yb is equal to 0. When we put x0 is equal to 0 in equation 5th, we get 0 is equal to b1, b1 is equal to 0 and when we put xa is equal to 0, 0 is equal to a into a1 plus b1. From x is equal to 0 is equal to 0, we get a1 is equal to 0. So and b1 equal so b1 is equal to 0, so this implies we get a1 equal to 0. Similarly, y is equal to 0. Hence, when we put x y t in equation 4th, we get u x y t is equal to 0. Now we apply the boundary condition on equation 6th. When we put x is 0 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to a1 plus b1. This implies a1 is equal to minus of b1. And now we apply x a is equal to 0. 0 is equal to a1 e raised to power p1a plus b1 e raised to power minus p1 a. Now a1 is equal to minus b1, so b1 is equal to या पुट करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या जाएगा माइनस ए वन हम कॉमन ले लेंगे, हमारे पास क्या जाएगा e रेज टू पावर p1 a प्लस e रेज टू पावर माइनस p1 a इज इक्वल टू 0. अगर हमने a1 को इक्वल टू 0 पुट कर दिया तो हमारे पास ट्राइवल सॉल्यूशन आ जाएगा. सो टू फाइंड द नॉन ट्राइवल सॉल्यूशन वी पुट e रेज टू पावर p1 a minus e raised to power minus p1a equal to 0. This implies e raised to power 2p1a is equal to 1. This implies 2p1 is equal to 0. This implies p is equal to 0, which is a contradiction because p is a positive number and greater than 0. So this is contradiction, so this is non-trivial. Now on we apply the boundary condition on equation 7th. Now x is a linear combination of cos p1x and sin p1x. When we apply x0 is equal to 0 on equation 7, तो cos 0 is equal to 1 plus sin 0 is equal to 0. सो a1 की वैल्यू हमारे पास कितनी आ जाएगी 0 आ जाएगी. नाउ वी अप्लाई एक्स ए इज इक्वल टू 0, सो वी गेट b1 sin p1 a इक्वल टू 0. नाउ b1 को हम इक्वल टू 0 नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि अगर इक्वल टू 0 आ गया तो हमारे पास ये ट्रिवियल सॉल्यूशन बन जाएगा. सो टू फाइंड द नॉन ट्रिवियल सॉल्यूशन वी टेक sin p1 a इक्वल टू 0, सो वी गेट p1 a इज इक्वल टू m pi. सिमिलरली फॉर y p1 इज इक्वल टू p2 इज इक्वल टू n pi by b. नाउ वी अप्लाई दिस combined solution, we putting the value of x y and t on equation 4th. in equation 4th इक्वेशन में हम वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा u ऑफ एम एन एक्स वाई टी इज इक्वल टू एल्फा एम एन कोस पी एम एन टी प्लस बीटा एम एन साइन पी एम एन टी इंटू साइन एम पाई एक्स बाई ए इंटू साइन एन पाई वाई बाई बी, वेयर पी स्क्वेयर एम एन इज इक्वल टू एम पाई बाई ए का स्क्वेयर प्लस एन पाई बाई ए का एन पाई बाई ए का स्क्वेयर. नाउ हम समीशन अप्लाई करेंगे. समीशन अप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें जनरल सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा इक्वेशन फर्स्ट का u इंटू एक्स वाई टी इज इक्वल समीशन एम एन की वैल्यू हमारी 1 से इन्फिनिटी तक इंटू एल्फा एम एन कोस पी एम एन टी प्लस बीटा एम एन साइन पी एम एन टी इंटू साइन एम पाई एक्स बाई ए इंटू साइन एन पाई वाई बाई बी. दिस इज इक्वेशन 8th. Now we find the value of alpha and now we apply the initial condition. f into xy is equal to u into xy e0 is equal to summation mn is equal to 1 to infinity alpha mn sin m pi x by a sin n pi y by b. t की वैल्यू हमने इक्वेशन 8 में 0 पुट कर दी, सो हमें ये मिल गया. नाउ आल्सो फॉर जी एक्स वाई कर्ली यू बाई कर्ली टी एक्स इंटू वाई जी. इक्वेशन 8 का हम डेरिवेटिव करेंगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टी एंड टी की वैल्यू 0 पुट कर देंगे. हमें क्या मिलेगा समीशन एम एन इज इक्वल टू 1 टू इन्फिनिटी पी एम एन बीटा एम एन साइन एम पाई एक्स बाई ए साइन एन पाई वाई बाई बी. नाउ वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एल्फा एम एन एंड बीटा एम एन and these value we put in equation 8 and we find the general solution of the equation 1. We obtain the two dimension wave equation. Thank you.